How to fix WhatsApp business not syncing. In order to fix WhatsApp business not syncing, first identify which type of sync is failed or failing. So first of all, you want to make sure to fix contact sync, right? You would then need to go to settings on your device, locate apps from the list, go to WhatsApp business, make sure to select permissions and make sure that your contact is enabled. After which, you also want to make sure that microphone, phone, and all that is also enabled. You could just go to enable all these options as well, and that should definitely help you with the fixed contact sync. If you want to fix WhatsApp web or desktop syncing, you could simply update the app as well. So if you are trying to sync your WhatsApp with or using your WhatsApp on web version as well, so what you need is tap on the WhatsApp business, tap the three dot, and there you have link device. You could simply select link device, right? So you have these options like you can only link your device up to 4. So you must make sure that you've not crossed the limit as well. After which, if you're still unable to fix or if you're not able to back up as well, so you also have to verify storage speeds and manually sync or just go to Android settings account and your Google account, and that can also help you out with the sync issue. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.